Hey everyone! Did you know that by the time we hit our 30s, our bodies produce about 1% less collagen each year? Crazy, right? This decrease leads to wrinkles and sagging of skin. Collagen is available in the form of powders, creams, serums, and even injectables. Stick around, because today we are diving into how to topically apply collagen for that youthful, glowing skin we all crave. Here we will focus 1. How to apply collagen serums correctly on skin. 2. How to apply collagen powders or tablets on skin. As skin ages, you might notice fine lines, dryness, or even a loss of firmness. Good news is, collagen can be a part of the solution. When we boost our collagen levels, we can improve skin, elasticity, hydration, and overall texture. Topical application of collagen can provide direct hydration and help with skin repair. Using collagen regularly can lead to amazing benefits like increased moisture, reduced wrinkles, and a radiant complexion. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Now, let's get to the fun part, the step-by-step demonstration of applying collagen. Firstly, if you are using a collagen cream or serum, start with a clean face. Apply a small amount to your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin in upward circular motions. This technique not only aids absorption but also boosts circulation. To maximize the collagen absorption into your skin leads to increase in the benefits. It is ideal to apply directly onto your face after using cleanser, exfoliator, and toner, but before any kind of moisturizer and/or sunscreen. Secondly, if you are using a powder, mix it with your favorite moisturizer and apply it just like you would apply any lotion. Remember, consistency is key. Another way is to make a face mask. Here is a recipe for face mask. 1. Mix 1 scoop of collagen powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 5 drops of lavender oil in a bowl. 2. Stir until the collagen powder dissolves. 3. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. 4. Rinse with cool water and pat your face dry. Make this a part of your daily routine for the best results. You will want to be patient though, results won't happen overnight, but give it a few weeks, and you will start to notice the difference. Incorporating collagen into your skincare routine can lead to plumper, healthier skin. So, if you are not already on the collagen train, now is the time to hop on. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Have you tried collagen before? What were your results? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. And check out my other videos on skin health. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.